Good morning, boys and girls. It is April 6, 2020, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how our Moodle lessons are changing. We are going to have it broken down into subject area and grade level to make it easier for your parents to see all the work and for you to see the work as well. Hopefully this will make it easier on everyone to understand. We will still be doing though the regular subjects, which is literacy, including reading and writing, and of course math. So first I would like to review what sixes are going to be working on today. You're starting a new unit on poetry. There'll be a video that will give you some more information on what poetry is. You'll be working on your reader's notebook, pages 141 through 144, and then you will be working in your skinny book in math, pages 199 to 202. And sevens, your new reading unit is going to be on reading biographies. Not writing, but reading different biographies. And we are going to start out with a woman named Gabriela Mistral, who was a poet and was very famous and actually won some awards. We will start with spelling words again today, and then we are going to see a little bit about a review on what is a friendly letter through a video, and then you're going to be writing a friendly letter to your parents for today. The friendly letter to your parents, once you've reviewed the video and you've written it, go back and see the video a second time, make sure everything's in the right place, and then you will be sending me your final copy. Okay? So, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk with you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.